Uncle Mark here, welcome to my channel. So you've got a Chrysler Sebring or a 200 and you want to change the passenger side signal light. Now if you're looking for the driver side, I'll try and put a link up in the description here. I'm not sure how soon I can get it there, but if it's there now, you can go to that one. Otherwise, they're specific side to side. Driver side's pretty much, it's very similar, but a couple extra tricks on that one. Let's get right to it. I know there's quite a few different videos out there. This one's gonna be different than all the rest. I take a different approach, like I always do. Take a look. So let's get right to it. So this is the signal light we're gonna try and replace. Passenger side. Driver side's a little different. So my suggestion is to take these 3 bolts off this fender just to give us a little more room. They're 10mm bolts. Or maybe you can just stick your hand right in here and turn it. You might be able to. My hand's a little big. Try and stick your hand in there and see if you can turn it first. I'll show you which way to take it out and then which way to put it back in. If you can't, this will give you a little more room. My big hands. Oops. You just want it just to move a little bit, just so you have a little bit of room. Now, there's a bolt here that holds the top of this, or it's almost like a screw. It's a Torx. You'll need a T30 to undo this top here, this light. Like I say, maybe your hand will fit. Mine wouldn't. This will just give the light a little move. We're just talking like inches, not even that. But with those two, I was able to get my hand in here. You see it right there. And turn it counterclockwise. So I try it with my hand. Pretty hard to actually still grab it and turn it. I thought if you just push on the little tang there on the side of it with one finger, it'll spin. I'll show you how to put it back in. Oh. So there's the bulb. Pop it out. The number is 3457A for amber, or the orange color. So that's the number. So it can go in either way, that way, that way. That's one of these things, you can't put it in the wrong way. You see that little thing right there where my thumb is? That's what I use to push it counterclockwise to open it. And that's the way I found out I'm going to have to put it back in there. I'll show you the hole. Have to try not to pry too much, you'll break the light. Now, it's got like 3 tangs, or I don't know. I'll draw it out for you here to show you. This only goes in one way. You see that? The 2 bottom ones are really close to each other. The top one is by itself, and you'll turn it clockwise to put it in, but it has to fit in that way. So now you have an idea which way it goes in there. Once you can pop it in, which will take some fiddling, just keep fiddling with it, and then all of a sudden I found out, oh, it just popped in. So once I did that, I just pulled up on that little tang there, or edge, or whatever you want to call it, see right there, until it stopped turning. And that was it. There it is right there. So I pushed it down to get it out, pulled it up to get it back in there, and then we'll put the bolts back in. Some fenders, you're wondering where exactly, how do you line the fender up? And a lot of times you can see where the bolt was sitting, just dirt around the washer. This one doesn't move a whole lot, so I just bolted it back in there. I didn't even bother lining it. You could check with the hood and make sure that it's not going to hit it. There was lots of room for me. Tighten them up. I'm just making them snug. It may look like I'm really torquing them, but I'm not. Just snug. And then, of course, put back that screw or bolt, whatever you want to call it, the Torx that holds the headlight in. And it was that easy. Hopefully it's that easy for you. So that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully you liked my idea better than everybody else's. If you're smaller than 6'5.5" and have a smaller hand than this, I think you can do it easier than I can. I'm pretty sure you can. Anyway, if you like the video, give me the thumbs up. You can subscribe down in the corner too. Don't forget to check out other videos on the Chrysler Sebring or Chrysler 200. They're the same car, basically. Who are we trying to fool? Chrysler just figured, hey, you didn't like the Sebrings, all the issues they had, so we'll call it a 200, which is close to a 300. And no one will know the difference. And a lot of people fell for it. Hey, it's not that bad of a car, really. Anyway, until next time, Uncle Mark, leaving you with that little bit of information, my own personal view. Till next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye for now. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. What? Except Chrysler was trying to make you forget how many problems a Sebring had, so they just called it a 200. Pretty smart. That's probably going to make some noise.